Hey guys, thanks for watching this daily video analysis. Today I will talk about silver, but first of all, please read the disclaimer, and you can send an email to support if you have questions. Thank you guys. So let's take a look here on silver. Okay, so silver tended to the downside, developed a strong downside movement, only because the price of gold also turned to the downside, dropped in the short term. So maybe after its rally, and also here after failing to take out this former high 22.550, only a false breakout with great separation signaled that the buyers are exhausted. Also here it has ignored the immediate lows. Let's take a look if we'll use also this key level. Breakdown, test, retest, a new downside movement. Right now it has ignored also 22.47, and after taking out these downside obstacles, it has signaled a deeper drop, downside continuation. So that's why right now the price of silver could extend its sell-off. Also, as long as it stays within the descending pitchfork body, maybe below the medium line, temporary rebounds could bring us new downside movement, a downside continuation. And personally, and probably I will keep an eye on this zone, on this area, maybe because we have a major demand zone here. But right now, as I've said, sideways movements, the bias is bearish, of course, and potential range or a potential rebound could bring new selling opportunities, could signal a deeper drop or downside continuation. Okay, so right now also it has ignored 21.832, and closing and stabilizing below it could activate a deeper drop here in the short term, because after this strong rally here we had the strong imbalance. Okay, the price tried to come back higher to retest it, a new sell-off. Right now it seems that we have a new imbalance here, a new strong selling zone, supply zone here. So probably closing here, testing, retesting here could activate a deeper drop, or closing here and coming back to test, retest could also bring us a downside continuation, a downside movement. So right now personally I'm looking only for shorts, but don't forget that later today we'll have the United States inflation data, the consumer price index, okay, which is expected to report a 0.5% growth in January. Consumer price index year over year. Core CPI, a 0.4% growth in the last month. So let's see, and we'll have to wait. Actually, these are seen as high impact events, right? And most likely the volatility will be high. The US inflation will bring sharp movements in both directions here on silver. So that's why you'll have to be careful, or actually even if you are an experienced trader, you'll have to be careful around high impact events. Okay, and in my opinion, guys, if the US will report higher inflation or in line with expectations data, then maybe the US dollar could try to grow, because higher inflation again could force the FOMC to deliver new rate hikes in the next monetary policy meetings. Okay, as you already know, the Federal Reserve is expected actually to deliver to increase the interest rate again, but maybe higher inflation could force the Fed to deliver a new 50 basis points rate hike again, versus only 25 basis points hike in February. So yeah, and in my opinion, lower inflation could help the price of silver and the gold to turn to the upside, to rebound. Okay, so this is my opinion about silver. Right now I'm looking for potential shorts after sideways movement, but probably I don't want to place a trade right before the economic data. I don't want to keep a full risk trade during the economic data, only because anything could happen. Okay, so anything could happen. sharp movements in both directions most likely. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys. This is my opinion about silver, and I will come back with my trade and more trades into the VIP group high probability trades. Bye bye. Don't forget to read the disclaimer. To read the disclaimer, support here. Thank you guys, and please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to join the VIP groups, the swing trading group, forex trading group, crypto group, you can use this link from here. Learn to trade forex signals, or you can access the link posted right below this video. Bye bye.